Ha! Did I get you guys? You didn't really think I was gonna do that, did you? Even though I probably should, huh? This little seat. What's up, guys? Today we're going to see what kind of foam is inside this Surron seat. It's a world-renowned ass wrecker. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, what we're gonna need is either a very small flathead or this little picker tool, which I like better. And then after that, we're gonna need some sort of pliers. I prefer nose pliers. So you're gonna see staples all around the rim. I'm gonna have to pry those open. And let's start. Ooh, that one flew. These are coming out actually quite easy.
Yo, Tom, what it do?
All right, well, that's all of them. Not off completely. Where the head is, there's usually 3 or more than 1, so make sure you take all of them out. Make your life easier. Look at that. All right, now just pry them off. All right, that's all of those. Staples out. There it is. Now, this seat is actually a buddy of mine's. He saw my custom seat and he loved it. And he paid me to do his seat. So we're gonna do it. I'm just waiting for some fabric to arrive so I can do it, and I'll actually create a video and upload it. So definitely subscribe to stay up to date, and you'll know when I drop that video. And also, what about you guys? Did you guys change your seat already? I know some guys are buying that MX style. I can't do it because my battery's too high, so it doesn't fit right. So I just went ahead and made my own seat, and it's actually worked out great. Perfect. Have some gel in it, some foam, and it's beautiful. All right, let's check this out. Let's see what kind of foam Surron put here. We got one more staple here. There it is. Don't need this anymore. Well, all right, this is it. It's so tough. After riding for a while, it just hurts. It's also a very thin seat. My seat is a little wider and a little taller, which makes it a lot more comfortable. We're gonna try to do that here. But this is it. Let's see what's underneath here. So it's just molded to the shape. This is the actual plastic, molded plastic it sits on. Well, alright guys. That's about it. That wraps it for this video. Like and subscribe, like I said. I'm going to customize this seat for my friend, so you guys can see that video. Also, let me know in the comments, did you guys switch your seat or not? Well, I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.